What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, and this is portrait video. As you can see, my beautiful little puppy here, she's chilling. She's taking a little walk and talk, and yeah, she loves to do a thing. Gigi, sit, mama. You gotta sit. There you go, sit. See if she can chill like automobiles. There you go, little portrait on the little doggy. All right, I'm gonna use the cover screen and do a little walk and talk while I show some portrait video of me just walking and talking. But I wanted to show you a little sample here with the El Doggo. All right. All right, so now I'm on the rear cameras here. Get a little more light on portrait video. So I kind of wanted to show you, I showed you in the open there with Gigi chilling, but this is basically what you're getting on the portrait video. And depending on the lighting, you get some good bokeh, you know, good bokeh raton behind you. You know what I mean? Everybody loves the bokeh. So you guys tell me what you guys think of the quality of the video. And I know iPhone has this feature on their iPhones, and it's pretty darn good. So Samsung has this portrait video that you could do on the rear screen. Now what I'm doing is I'm using the rear cameras, and I'm looking at the cover screen at that beautiful face of mine. So you're wondering how I'm able to focus on what I'm doing. I'm using the rear cameras because the rear cameras are better than the cover screen, front facing camera, and definitely the inner display or under display camera on the Z Fold4. So but this is pretty cool because, like, if you're doing a vlog or something, you're a YouTuber and you're like, man, it's got this new skateboard, I'm about to go out, or yo, I got the Tesla Model XWZYZ or whatever, or you know, whatever it may be, you know, you could do a little vlog action, and it's pretty cool, you know. So let me know what you guys think of the quality, and depending on how you're kind of have it situated, the lighting will be better or will be worse, but you could do all kinds of stuff with this thing. Look at this. This is cool, man. So yeah, you got a nice little day out here chilling in the streets. But yeah, that's about it. And I'm holding it with my right hand. Basically, I have a case on it, so it's pretty easy to kind of look at the screen, do what you got to do. And if you got a friend or something, you're doing an interview, it'd be kind of cool. So let's go down here. Gigi, sit. Let's see if we can get a little girl in the frame here. Aww. Aw, she's so cute. All right, man, that's gonna do it, man. You guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Or no, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and that notification bell. Don't you love that noise? I don't think she heard it.